Welcome to this quick and updated guide on how to enable Zoom animations in Telegram. If you want your chats to feel more dynamic and visually engaging, this simple setting can make a noticeable difference. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all settings without any issues. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. This is the three-line icon, often called the hamburger menu. Once the menu opens, look for the Settings option and tap on it. Inside Settings, scroll until you find Chat Settings and tap to open it. This section controls how your chats look and behave, including animations and visual effects. Now, scroll down until you see the Animations option. Tap on it to continue. Here's where it gets important. Under the Power Saving section, you'll find an option called Effects in Chats. Tap on it to open more customization options. In this section, you'll see different animation settings available. Look specifically for Zoom animations. Once you find it, simply check the box next to it to enable the feature. That's it. Zoom animations are now active in your Telegram chats. You should start noticing smoother and more interactive transitions when opening media or navigating conversations. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and uncheck the option. Enabling this feature is a great way to enhance your overall Telegram experience without affecting performance too much, especially if your device supports it well.